Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Dell Latittude E6330. It is powered by Intercore i5, 3rd generation, which runs at a base clock of 2.60 GHz. This processor comes with Intel HD Graphics 4000 integrated GPU. It also comes with 4 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 8 GB. It has inbuilt HDD of 320 GB, which can be upgradable or replaceable with SSD. It has compact 13.3-inch display with built-in 1.0 MP webcam and microphone. 65-watt battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 3 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latittude E6330 has all essential ports: 1 RJ45, 1 mini HDMI, 1 charging port, 1 Kensington lock, 1 VGA port, 2 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew. Buy like new.